Theory. Above table is of 29 columns and is of 29 rows. It is filled with the numbers from 1 to 841 in such a way that the sum of each column, each row and each diagonal is equal to 12,209. The formula developed will be effective in all tables of odd number squares such as 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. and will help to fill without calculation. The formula will not be affected even if a particular number will be divided, multiplied, added or subtracted from all numbers. Again, the formula will not be affected even if the table will be filled with any numbers and onwards instead of 1 and onward. Only the total sum of column, row and diagonal will be changed accordingly. Here is the formula. Surprised? Yes, this is the formula. Formula cannot be explained in a numerical way. So here the formula is in the form of diagrammatic representation. You require to remember this diagram. Similar diagrammatic way will be adopted in every odd square number table to make it easy to understand. Next, there are 3 tables of 3 square, 5 square and 7 square has been filled up at a time. Here the formula is mentioned in the table of 29 square. This is also in similar way like mentioned in previous diagrammatic representation, that is 7 square. Just remember, fulfill, calculate and take enjoy. Namaskar.